All right, Meso custom steering wheel logo cover. We're gonna attempt to put this on. Have the wife helping me because I'm horrible with sticker things. And then I'm not a big fan of all that silver, so we're gonna see if we can make it look better. I guess we're gonna wipe it off, prep it a little bit, and then just stick it on. So here we go. All right, let's do it. Are you gonna try to do it while you're looking in the camera?
Yes.
All right, we're honking horns. That's nice.
Looks good.
All right, so that's the way it looks. We'll maybe go around all the edges and make sure that it's on correctly. Just make sure it's not gonna move. Yeah. There we go. All right, guys, I want to do a quick kind of update. I've had it for a little while now. When you watch this video, I'm just gonna splice it in. Yeah, so I've had it for a couple weeks, and it's held up really well. I don't feel like it's lifting or anywhere. I just want to point out it's more like a 3D thing that goes over the logo, which is really cool. I've seen some things that do like stickers. I would definitely say, I mean, it's a sticker, but it goes over. You can kind of see the edges. There is no silver showing anywhere. Oh, that's a little bit of a shadow. But anyway, like I was saying, I haven't had any Texas heat yet, so I don't know how it's gonna hold up on the Texas heat, but we shall see. But if you're looking to cover up the silver with any color, they have multiple colors. Hit them up. They didn't sponsor this video or anything like they would. I just thought it was a cool product. Just give it a try. Maybe I'll give another update someday when it gets summertime and see how it held up. But until then, back to the previous playing video, I guess. All right, we're just gonna rub all the little sides in, and I think that's good. I think it looks pretty good. It's kind of a blackish gray on the camera. It looks like that way anyway. Mm-hmm. But I think
it's matte black.
It's matte black. Mm-hmm. But anyway, I think it looks better. It gets rid of all that silver. I'm pretty happy with it, as long as it doesn't pop off. I'm not sure what happens. I got an airbag. Maybe I'll get a nice Toyota logo on my forehead. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. It makes it so not only have this silver, but maybe you need a little bit of color. The wife will probably say. But anyway, I think it looks way better. I like it kind of blacked out, not so silver. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.